4 surprising ways email marketing can improve your SEO. Most people think email marketing and SEO are two separate worlds, but they actually fuel each other in powerful ways. First, email boosts engagement signals. When your audience clicks through your emails and spends time on your site, Google sees stronger engagement. That tells the algorithm your content is valuable. Second, email drives consistent traffic spikes. Every time you send a campaign, you're sending guaranteed visitors. Those traffic surges help Google index your new pages faster and rank them sooner. Third, email helps you build authority. When your subscribers share your content or link to it in their own posts, you naturally earn more backlinks. Backlinks are still one of the biggest SEO ranking factors. Fourth, email improves content relevance. Your open rates and click-through rates literally show you what your audience cares about. You can use that data to create search content that aligns with what people already want. So email marketing isn't just a tool for sales, it's a direct amplifier for your SEO growth.